How to fix Hamster Kombat WebPage not loading. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, the first step is you need to visit the Hamster Kombat social media or website for any announcement or update. The development team often communicates progress or fixes there. Next thing is you need to clear the cache of your Telegram. Simply tap and hold and go for the app's info. From there you just need to clear the cache and make sure to clear the data as well and then sign in again. If the problem persists, you need to try switch to a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues arise with specific browser. Next thing is ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermediate connection can prevent web pages from loading. If the problem persists again, you need to make sure to not have any kind of browser extension in which you are using your Telegram wallet. Now temporarily disable them and see if the issue resolves itself. At the end you need to simply go for a quick restart because sometimes a simple restart can resolve these kind of glitches. You need to tap and hold your power button and your volume button and you just need to power off your device. So that's a way of how you can fix Hamster Kombat web page not available.